What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video for you guys. Today I'm going to talk about an exclusive app. It's called Jojos Amazing Fusion. This app is by far the best app that I didn't come out with, but that I got put together. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to show you real quick how to get it, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This app that I rolled out, it's basically for Jojos Amazing TV and Jojos Budget TV. Yes, I said that. That's why it's called Fusion. You can log in with both accounts in one app. So if you only have Budget TV, you could download this and use it. If you only have Amazing TV, you could do the same thing. Now, if you get the Ultimate package, you could get one app, and now you could go to, just go to one app instead of having two separate apps. It is sweet and easy, and it is very sexy how the app looks. All right, so first thing you're going to do is download it. Get yourself a file link. It's easy to get. Down in the description, I show you how to get it, and it's a video link. Put it on many different devices. Firestick, Androidbox, your phone. Real easy to do, guys. So once you get a file link, you're going to open this up. Now, once you open it up, okay, it's going to give you a screen similar to this. Give it a second. And once you get this screen, you're going to enter that code in. That code is 748-61473. Guys, that will give you access to Jojos Amazing TV and Budget TV apps. Okay, so you're going to go into that. And once you got that entered, you're going to hit continue. Now, allow it to load up. It all depends on your internet speed. Now, that's the other thing I want to address. Depending on your internet speed, that's how great the service will be. If you have a minimum internet speed, or if you have a Wi-Fi strength, meaning like let's say you have great internet speed, but your Wi-Fi signal for your device is very low, like 1 bar, you may run into issues. But I'll be honest with you, it's a simple fix, as in just maybe raising up your Wi-Fi box or resetting your box, or just bringing your device that you're using to stream closer to your Wi-Fi router, or just go out and buy a Wi-Fi extender. Okay. Now, as you see here, right there, Jojos Amazing Fusion. It's basically you could log in with an Amazing TV account and Budget TV account. All right. So hit that download button. I'm going to click that, allow it to download. And while it's downloading, just want to give you guys a heads up. It's a paid service if you guys are watching this video for the first time, and it's very cheap. Okay, the Jojos Amazing TV is only $12 a month. You get over 8,000 channels with 2 connections, and then with the Budget TV, you basically get just over 1,000 channels, and you'll get 1 connection. Mind you, Budget TV at this moment, at this current time, it is being updated servers. So if you join on to the Ultimate package, you're going to see it might be low on channels. Don't worry, it's just the servers are being updated for the Budget TV. Okay, so now you see, guys, this turned into a play button. I'm going to click that play button. Since I already have it, that's why you see on the top new and all. But what you're going to do is click install. Allow it to install. Once it says you install it, and once it's done installing, it's going to say done and open. Okay, you guys can open it up from that point. Okay, so excuse me. So since I already have it, I'm going to open it from here. So click that, and if you open it up on your end, you're going to see this. Now, this left one is for Jojos Amazing TV. And this right one is for Jojos Budget TV. Now, I'm going to log into the Amazing TV. So all you do is you click that left eye, and there you go. You see how it says Jojos Amazing TV on the corner? Now, if you would have done this on the Budget TV, it would look a little different, as in the color and stuff, but the setup will be the same. And you'll see it say Jojos Budget TV. Now, all you do from this point, you enter your username and password. So I'm going to do that now. Give me 1 second. Okay, I entered my credentials, my username and password. So what you want to do, and this is where it gets a little tricky. All right, you see how it's blinking under where it says password? Click down, and then it looks like the cursor disappeared. Actually, it should be over the little box that says remember me. So click select button. You see now you have a check there. Click down once again, and now you see how the login turned a different color. Hit login. Give it a second to log in, and the service right now is up and running. So if you're having issues, you may enter in your password wrong, or you may have a low internet, not low internet, but meaning low internet strength for your device. Okay, there you go, guys. What's lovely about this app is you see to the left and the right little advertising. I can update that whenever, like when there's a fight coming on, or there's an event or something, or some great, something coming up, or there's a change. I could throw that there and it happens live, meaning I'll change it and then you guys will get that notification or see that little bulletin, which is pretty awesome. Now, here you go. You got your live TV, movies. There's no movies for Jojos Amazing TV, okay? And the reason for that is because to focus on the live TV, because it is over 8,000 channels. And on here it says TV series, and it's very minimum. I mean, very, very minimum. But to be honest with you, with the TV shows and the movies, the best thing to do, guys, is download like Central TV, Kodi Movies, TTV, Cyberflix, Titanium TV. Those are actually better because those apps are focused on movies and TV shows. My app is basically focused on live TV. Okay, so let me continue here. You got your TV guide and you have your settings. Now let's go into the settings. You have your parent control. You have a VPN. The VPN it's a little untested, meaning I haven't had the chance to. I know I should have, but to be honest with you, it's simple. You see how it says your IP? That's where you put your IP address of your device, okay? And then you put in any username, and then you would put, okay, you go, IP, and then you put any username you choose, you create it, hit password, and then you hit connect. And what the next screen is saying, hey, the VPN is trying to connect to your device. You want to hit OK, and it should go through. Like I said, it's untested. Give it a try. Let me know if it's working or not. If it's not, I'll see what I can do. Okay, so we're back out of that. Go back in, and these two here, honestly, if you click it, it's gonna just really do nothing. To refresh, the best thing to do is to log out. Okay, you have your hide. Now you can hide your live categories. You can hide video on demand. You can hide certain series, which, like I said, you don't get any. And same thing with the video on demand. You can literally just hide those and just have the movie. Then you have your user account information, your timestamp. You know what I mean? It's 12 hours. Some people like the 24-hour setup. And then you have your logout. Now, let me show you real quick the parent block. All right, let me back out of this. Now, let me show you in the live TV section. Now, all you do is you click down and up. You got your categories, so I'm going to hold down here. And then you see, oops, we'll go back up. I passed what I wanted to go to. All right, so let's go. I want to show you. Should be adults. And it's a lot of categories, man. Let's see here. Keep going down. Oh, all right. You see how it says for adults, right? All right, that's the one downfall. When you pass it, you got to go all the way down and up again. All right, so we're going to go down one more time. Oh, Jesus. All right, you've seen how it says adults, okay? So, all right, let's try this one more time. Should be close to the end. Not there yet. Okay, music. There it goes. Whew! That was time consuming. Sorry, guys. But you see it says for adults. Now, let's say you have kids. You don't want the kids to see that. You want to hide it. I'm going to show you real quick. all you do is you scroll over to your settings, your parent block. The original default password is a bunch of zeros. Okay, so you go, it's 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 4 zeros. Hit next. Just enter any password in. I'm just gonna put 1111. And my new one, just to confirm it, 1111. Hit next and hit OK. There you go. That's my parent block. Now you go to live. You can hide the live category. Okay, you see that? Scroll all the way down. See, look at. Oh, I just hit them all. So this is where you're gonna have to see. It says select categories you want to hide. You're gonna have to uncheck all the ones that you want. Okay, so as you see here, uncheck all these. Okay, and we're gonna go down, down, keep going down. All right, we're just gonna skip towards the end here because I don't want to keep wasting. But you see the adults and all this other stuff there. So now all you do is you hit OK. All right, hit back, go to live TV, and then we'll scroll down, and then it should be hidden. Oh, okay. That's why I love doing this. All the check ones are meaning, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. So we go down to hide. We're gonna go to select all. There we go. So you gotta uncheck the one that you don't want, which will go down here to adult. We uncheck that. Hit OK. There you go. Now we go to live TV. Oops. Let me back out real quick. Scroll down. Okay, and music should be the last one. Let me see here, and there goes music. And the next one, there should be a no adult section. Nope, no adults. Do you see that? Pretty awesome. All right, now let me show you how it actually looks. We go into USA Entertainment, and here you go, your setup. Pretty nice, pretty simple. I just want to point something out. You see how those little, the little like circle with the time? That means it's a little behind. The actual on point ones are that have no circles to them. So these are time shifted. Okay. But look, as you see here, it's pretty good. So we're gonna go full screen, and go full screen. Now you're saying, well, how can I go to favorites? On your remote, you're going to click the hamburger button to the right of the house button, and there you go. Add to favorites. And then let me hit back, and now it's added to favorites. So we're going to hit out again, and just to show you it's in favorites category, you hit favorites, and there goes your channel.
Take a seat.
Okay? So we're going to back out of that, and we're going to go back into, let's say, a different category. Let's say local ABC. All right. Here you go, local ABC. Now, you see how the TV guide is on the right there? Just click the right button, and then your TV guide comes out. This is where, I'm going to be honest with you guys. You see how the dates there, they're off. It says like it was from today, Saturday. You got all the way back, but what's today? 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock is college football, okay? And then you just see, click it. It's not airing. It's a little tricky how that works, where there's two of them, but all you have to do is just hit the back, and then you got your little TV guide right there as well, okay? And now you're like, well, okay, that's all fine and dandy, Joe. How can I make it full screen? Very simple. Once again, you're going to click the select channel you want, and there you go. You got it full screen. Okay? And back out of there. Back out of it again. And it is nice and smooth. It does have subtitles, for some channels. Okay, it's like a closed caption. It does work with some channels. All right. It's pretty smooth and nice. I like it. One thing, like I said, the downfall that I can see is when you get into a channel that it's not available or something that you want, you will get that screen where you see the multiple colors. Now, if you run into that situation, feel free to message me and let me know. Say, hey, listen, I'm trying to watch this channel. It's not going. You know what I mean? And I'll see what I could do with my service provider and see if we could get that working for you. All right? It's very straightforward and easy to use. I had a buddy of mine test it out. He has no problem with it. He's actually watching a pay-per-view fight now, and it's working pretty well. You know what I mean? I had it and I used it for a while myself, and I like it. It works smooth. And like I said, this is something that if you're having issues where other apps of mine like the XC or Jojos Amazing Smart, this is very user friendly and it's really easy to use and it's very dependable. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Also, hit me up on Telegram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you don't have my service, what are you waiting for? It is the best thing to have for a very, very valuable price. $12 a month, or if you want to go, even cheaper, you could go with the budget TV. Okay, and budget TV, let me show you real quick. Back here, go back into the app. With the budget TV, you just click that blue eye. Watch, click the blue eye. See there, Jojo's Budget TV. If you have the budget TV, you just put your username and password, log in, and it's the same way to work it, and it's not hard. Okay? Now, it's $5. If you guys don't know about it, check it out on my website, jojosamazingvideos.com. I do offer one-day free trials, but the one-day free trials are Monday through Friday only, guys. So check it out. My opinion, this is the best by far. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my new app. Thank you guys and have a great evening.